Alright, so hey everybody. Alright, so we're gonna be making a snowman. Alright, I got a knife. Cut this thing up. So we take some of this. And some of this. Take this. And do that. Take some of this. And then you do this. And then now, let's do the head. Boom. Snowman. And then you have to make the arms. This is out of Play-Doh. And it's pretty much my sister's, so. Alright, so we got that. Let's make the nose. Alright. And there's the snowman. There you go, guys. I am finished with the video. Then you can see I got this. Alright, I have a new video of something that is very cool. But just hang on. I know the head's falling off. But let's just open this. Let's put nope. Sometimes that happens. Let's put that in there. And then let's put the snowman. Let's do that. Start it. And then there's a picture of it.